guys, it's your girl Ryan Samantha. It's been forever since I've been able to say that. I've been on a hiatus. I've had a lot going on and I honestly have not filmed in almost a month. So it's really nice to get back to you guys and whatnot. But if you guys are new, thank you for stopping by, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below and also hit that post notification bell so you know when I post new videos. But yeah, in today's video I am going to be showing you guys how I created this soft glam look that you guys see on my eyes right now. I honestly realized I have so many palettes. I did a haul and I got the Jaclyn Hill Volume 1 palette. I know I am late to the game, but better late than never. So yeah, in today's video I'm going to be doing this soft glam look with this beautiful Jaclyn Hill palette that I've been wanting forever, but again, I'm late, I know. But yeah, you guys, if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then definitely keep on watching. Already gone ahead and done my eyebrows and primed my eyelids off camera, so we're just gonna dive into this look. So I'm starting off using this brown color called Buns, and I'm going to use this as a transition color. This color is really close to my skin tone, you guys, but I just really wanted a seamless, nice blend. So this is going to be my base color, and then I'm just gonna build on. So as you can see, I'm just flicking it outwards as I use circular motions all over my transition area. So this is how it's looking so far. There's not a huge real look, as I said, because the color looks like my skin tone. But next I'm going in to deepen up the transition color, and I'm using the brown color in the palette called Mocha, and I started really lightly and I built it up. This color is really pretty. It just looks like a nice I guess bronzed look. So again, I'm just putting that in my crease and just above my crease and buffing it out throughout my lids. So to blur any harsh lines, I'm using this sandy color, and it's called Pukey or Pucky. That's a really weird name, but anywho, I'm using that color with a smaller brush just to, as I said, blur out any harsh lines from the transition colors. So I lost a little bit of the color, so I did go back in with Mocha just to deepen that back up. And up next, I'm going to deepen everything up even more, and I'm using that darker chocolate brown color called Chip, and I'm putting that on my outer V, and most of the color is concentrated on my outer V, and then whatever's left on my brush, I just bring it over into my transition area, into my crease, sorry. I usually cut my crease, but I decided to not do that. I am using this color SBN, and I'm just going to spray my brush with my Morphe setting spray, and then I'm just going to pack on this color as if I was cutting my crease. This is just a nice beginner friendly way to cut your crease without actually having to do all the work. Although I really liked how the color SBN worked, I did want to brighten up and just make my eyes pop a little bit more. So I'm adding the really pretty pink shimmer shade called Little Lady, and I'm just putting that right on top of the color that I previously added. So up next, I'm adding this burnt reddish brown color called Jack Z, and I'm just putting that where the shimmer color and the brown color meet, and this is just gonna help to diffuse all the colors together and just add a nice seamless finish. Up next, I'm just adding this burgundy shimmer shade called Hillster, and I'm just using my fingers and diffusing the colors even more and putting it right on top of that reddish brown color that I already added. And just to intensify the look and clean it up a little bit more, I'm going back in with the pink shimmer shade called Little Lady, and I just packed on some more color. And next I'm just lining my eyes. I'm doing a really simple soft winged liner with my Morphe blackout liner, and I struggle to line my eyes because my eyelashes are super curly, you guys. But yeah, so I'm gonna do that on the other side. Next, I'm adding my lashes, and these lashes are actually from Amazon. They were super inexpensive, and yeah, so I put those on, and now I'm just doing the rest of my face. So this is how the final look turned out, you guys. As I said, it's a really cute soft glam, and it honestly can go with pretty much anything. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I thank you guys so much for supporting me and watching me. I really hope that you guys like this look, and hopefully it helps you to recreate it. And if you do recreate it, let me know so I can see your recreation. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Toodles!